Welcome back to another fun time of doing things with clay. So, I've been playing around with and using a lot of underglazes and underglaze transfers, like this particular one here. And I'm going to show you how I like to apply them. So, I'm going to add some skulls to this one. And what I did was I drew up and I printed off my skull, the black outline, using a screen print that I have. And then I went back and I added some color to it. And now I'm going to apply them into different spots on here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my skull out that I want to put onto my piece. Decide where I want to put it on my piece. And I use tissue paper. And the great thing about tissue paper is once it gets wet very quickly, and it rehydrates the underglazes so that they stick to my piece. I do this a couple of times just so I can really get all the air bubbles out and really get that underglaze down. I use a sponge, as you can see, it shows it pretty well, to push it into place. It's that one, it's the red one. I'm going to come over here. We're going to do an orange one next. Decide where I want to put this orange one. Maybe I'll do something like, kind of like that. So you just have to really kind of hold it in place. Start squirting in the middle. And press out my air pockets. And then I have one red one left. We're going to do that one over here. Hold it down. Spray it. As you can see, it goes pretty quickly. Now I'm doing these on bisque, so I'm not too concerned with how much moisture I put on here, but you can do it with leather hard pieces. I just find that when I do it with bisque, I get a little bit cleaner and somewhat of a dirtier, my aesthetic of dirty, that I like. Doesn't mean it's what everybody else likes, but it's what I like. Just press those down a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna have to wait until they're fully dry. Come in here and I can probably clean up my piece a little bit. Don't want to get too much overflow there, but I can just start, as I start to peel it away, I can see, didn't get enough on here. As you can see, it's kind of not fully what I want, so I'm going to spray that again. Really press it down. Do it a couple of times to really get a good, better pull now. There we go. As you can see, as I start to peel it off, I've now left my underglaze skull transfer, ta-da, on my piece. And just go to the next one. Start peeling this yellow one off here. You wait till your paper's a little bit drier. Peel off more of it at one time. I'm rushing this a little bit for the sake of the video. Next time I'll do one of those cooking special things, where they have one already pre-made and ready to go, and well, I don't think this thing's up first. Don't like that one. And you notice what I'm doing is, as I start to peel it up, I don't like how much underglaze didn't attach. I go ahead and re-soak it, try and get that underglaze to really attach the way I want it to. And I'll keep going, and because I will actually bisque fire these a second time to hold the color before I apply my different glazes, and also so I don't get any weird underglaze interactions with my glazes. It happens sometimes. I end up with little areas. So I've taken to always bisque firing again my underglazes to hold them and burn off any contaminants. If I don't get all the tissue paper off of here, well, it will just burn out in the bisque. That is one good thing about it. As you can see, slowly peeling away and revealing. And this is the way that I like to put my underglazes on my pieces. Well, if you like the information you got here, go ahead and click that like button. That'd be kind of cool. And if you didn't, well, okay. If you want to see more of these things, go ahead and push that subscribe button. That'd be fantastic. Until then, until next time, go make yourself some things out of clay.